Imagine you are the leader of a big, hungry team. It's dinner time and everyone is waiting for your famous family feast. You have a lot of packages to deliver: the golden potatoes, the crunchy carrots, and the main dish that smells so good. But if your kitchen counter is covered in mail, old magazines, and a pile of dirty breakfast dishes, your delivery van is stuck in the mud, you can't find the vegetable peeler, and the timer is already ticking. A family feast. Master knows that a clean workspace is like a superpower for the whole house. When the counters are clear, you can move fast, like a race car driver. You aren't bumping into things or getting pooped because you have to move a pile of papers just to chop an onion. By clearing the road first, you make sure dinner is a happy time, not a stressful one. Let's look at a case study of a dad named Mike. Mike wanted to make a big Sunday dinner, but his kitchen was a traffic jam. He was trying to cook while his kids' homework was on the table, and the grocery bags were still sitting on the counter. He felt like he was running a marathon in a tiny closet. So Mike decided to use his driver skills. He spent 5 minutes putting the homework in backpacks and the groceries in the pantry. Suddenly, his kitchen felt huge. He had room to line up his delivery boxes, his ingredients, and he finished the meal so fast, he even had time to play a quick game of hide and seek before the timer went off. In your house, keeping the feast station clean helps everyone. When the workspace is tidy, anyone can jump in and help. It's like having a co-pilot in your van. You can say, "Hey, can you grab the carrot box?" And they know exactly where it is because the path is clear. A simple, clean kitchen leads to a simple, happy family. Tips for the feast master. The staging area. Before you start, pick one spot on the counter that stays 100% empty. This is your landing strip where the finished plates go before they head to the table. Load the dishwasher early. Think of the dishwasher as your cleanup crew. If you put things in there as you go, your workspace stays open and ready for the next delivery. The 5-minute clear. Before the stove even gets hot, set a timer for 5 minutes. Sweep everything off the counters that doesn't belong in the kitchen. Clear the road so you can drive fast. Being a family feast master isn't about being a robot. It's about making life easier for the people you love. When you master your workspace, you master the meal, and you keep the momentum of your happy home going strong. So clear those counters, sharpen your map, and let's get this feast delivered. A happy home starts with a happy kitchen. If you're ready to be the feast master of your house, give us a big yum by hitting the like button and subscribing for more family adventures. Now go clear that landing strip and get cooking. Logos.